All right, Pontiac fans, here's a nice looking 1971 Pontiac GTO. Nice two-door hardtop coupe. Now, this particular car is originally a 455 HO car. We actually have the PHS docs on it, so we know it was a 455 HO car. It still has a 1971 455 HO engine in it. Cannot confirm that it's the original engine. So it is error correct, 71 GTO 455 HO engine in it. Just cannot confirm its numbers. It does appear that the transmission is a numbers matching transmission. You can check that on the still pictures. I'll tell you about those in a second, where to find them. And as far as the transmission, 4-speed manual in this vehicle. It is also the M22 Muncie transmission that is in it. Again, 4-speed matched up with the 455. Now, as far as checking out where we see the stamping on that transmission, confirm what it is. The pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And you can call us too. Be happy to help you out with this one. Like I said, we got the PHS doc on it. Call us at 507-386-1726. Car has underwent a repaint along the way somewhere. As you can see, black. What I would call a parchment interior, ivory interior. Does have bucket seats up front and vinyl. That's the way this car would have came. It is a bucket seat car with vinyl interior. Still riding on the honeycomb style wheel. Paint, I would say, is in nice shape. I mean, it's black. You're gonna find imperfections here and there. When I get around to the driver's side, I notice there is a little scuff in the kind of up in the front, and I'll point that out. Interior is also in nice shape. A little bit of wear here and there. I believe the odometer shows 80-some thousand miles, which cannot confirm or deny because the miles do not stay on the title with the car once it's so old. But it wouldn't surprise me if that's original miles looking this car over. Now remember, we do consider trades. We can assist with the transportation of this car. Financing is available. And of course, it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome and bright work nice on this car. Previous owner of this car owned it for approximately 20 years. It's just time to move on to something else. Make a little room. So that's why he has put this up for sale in its beauty. Now, as you can see up and down the driver's side, also straight, not full of a bunch of nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, it's black. You'll find them here and there when you look hard enough. The one I did notice was up here. There is a little scuff, kind of right up in this area. There you go. You can kind of see that. But again, nothing major. Drive it like it is, or put just a little bit of time into it. Fix that up pretty easy. Now, let's check out the interior and we'll start this up. This one is a little cold-blooded, I've noticed from moving it around, but we'll get her fired up. Door panels, nice shape. Seat on this one, did notice there's a little spot kind of right there. Looks like somebody might have something in their pocket or sat in there. But again, not bad. Could still show this car. Take it to any local cruise-ins, roll-ins. Headliner, nice shape. Shoulder belt still intact in the car. Everything appears pretty much stock in the interior, with the exception of that speaker down below. It does have an AM radio in it. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll check out that engine bay. Alright, like I said, it's a little cold-blooded, but let her warm up just a tad here. The odometer reads 86,452. Again, I can't confirm or deny that that is correct miles or not. Tack does work. Notice the other gauges over here were working also. Alright, seems to be idling fairly well and warmed up. Let's slip around to the back so you can hear this. And again, 455 underneath the hood. Cannot confirm its numbers, but it is a 1971 455, and I can tell that because it has the YC engine block code on it. And again, we have the PHS on this, so we know it was a 455 HO car to begin with. Now, I'm going to pause this a second. This hood's a little heavier. I'm going to need to open it up, and I want to show you how it looks underneath there. All right, here we go. Again, power power steering and power brakes. Forgot to mention that earlier, as far as equipment wise. Nice looking engine bay, good sounding engine. And you can check out, again, all the stamping. The YC stamp from the block in the pictures. I have the tranny information, stamping on that, so you can check all of that out. And there is pictures of the PHS docks on there also. So go ahead and look this one over. You got any questions, give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. Remember, we do consider trades. We can assist with transportation. Financing is available. And of course, this vehicle may qualify for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.